Well, hey everybody. I just wanted to throw together a video here because you guys have absolutely blown up the channel here. I'm sitting at basically 18.3 and you guys absolutely ate up the off-road recovery gear X-Lock video, and for whatever reason, the off-road recovery videos are just extremely popular. For the record, I did just want to say that this is my personal channel. I put a little bit of everything on here. I am a team member for about the last 3.5 years of Colorado 4x4 Rescue and Recovery, but this is my personal channel. There is an actual org channel, but I've got off-roading videos in there. I've got power wagon stuff. I've got marathon stuff. I mean, there's a little bit of everything in there. When I traded in the Jeep and stepped up from a JK to the 4-door JL, I mean, there's everything. So this is all just personal stuff going back, years and years and years and years and years. But the off-road recovery videos are just absolutely killing it on YouTube. There has been so many comments that it's actually been hard to keep up with. I am actually trying to respond, and some of you guys really have some extremely rude comments that end up on here, and the YouTube content system, it actually catches the really offensive ones, and they get put in the held for review tab, which there's nothing in there currently. But the really nasty ones, man, I don't know what it is about being a keyboard warrior and hiding behind your screen, but there's some interesting people out there. But one of the ones that's been getting a ton of comments is that framed out Toyota with the owners wearing masks. And I'll be the first to admit that I hate wearing a mask. I've got a little neck gaiter, but that's currently an org policy that if we're working within 6 feet of each other, to just have that on. And the owners of the vehicle just decided to leave it on because they were bouncing around and here, there, and everywhere. So you guys crack me up. This one in particular, I'm trying to not shake here. I'm holding my phone on my kitchen counter, but this guy called me an Amazon Prime wheeler, which is really funny. Now, yes, my 30-foot toe strap was actually brand new, but I do use my gear, and I just wash it and I take care of it. I mean, I've had some of this stuff for 5 years, and it looks brand new because I scrub it when it gets dirty. I mean, this isn't this isn't that hard. But anyway, you guys rock. The comments are awesome. I mean, positive or negative, some of them really make me laugh, and it's absolutely hilarious. But anyway, on to the actual topic of discussion. So I've been wanting to do something like this for a while. When I hit 20,000, sorry, it focused on my finger. When I hit 20,000, I'm going to give this bad boy away. So I just ordered a GoPro Hero 8, and it's not just the GoPro. You're going to get all kinds of stuff. What else is in here? That is a card reader for the GoPro. You're going to get a 32 gig SanDisk Extreme memory card, and you're going to get back off of the video here a little bit, you're going to get a second battery. So when you get me up to 20,000 on the list here, this is going to get given away. I paid for it with my own money, and I just figured it's awesome that you suffer through the YouTube ads, which sometimes are ridiculous. I can't control them. I just turn them on, and whatever happens, happens. So when we hit 20,000, you're going to get another video on how to get entered in to win that thing. So we're not there yet. It's definitely going to happen by the end of the year at the rate we're going. At the start of the weekend, I wasn't even at 18,000, and it's only 2:20 on Monday, August 10th, and we're at 18.3. So coming soon, there will be a video about how to get yourself entered in this giveaway for a brand spanking new, still in the wrapper, GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. So anyway, just want to say thanks for being awesome. And yeah, the next video that comes out, I don't know when it'll be, but as soon as I either go four-wheeling with some friends or get on another off-road recovery. But we'll catch you on the next one.